Hello, this is a tutorial on 11.4a1. We're going to be finding the area of a circle. Well, start off with the formula. It's pi r r. Some people say pi r squared. I just like saying pi r r. It sounds like a pirate. Pi r r. It's the area of a circle, my young friend. Ah, yes, lad. Okay, so before we had to find the radius of the circle, or the diameter of the circle, like this here, because we were finding the circumference. But now, when we're finding the area, we want the radius. So this one is perfect. So what we would have to do here is, I'll just write down what I'm going to put into the calculator. We put 3.14 times the radius, which is 7.1, times the radius, 7.1. And that's going to do it for us. So let's just put an equal sign here, and I'll put my answer in there when I'm done here. But let's do another one here. Now we have a diameter. Now a lot of kids think it's going to be 12 times 3.14 times 12 times 12, but that's not it. We have to find the radius. The diameter is 24, the radius is 6. So my answer is going to be pi r, 3.14 times 6 times 6. And or you could do 3.14 times 36, because that is what 6 times 6 is. So let's just pop a couple of these bad boys in and see what we got here. We've got, slide that up so you can see it, 3.14 times 7.1 times 7.1 equals 158.28. What are we doing? Nearest tenth here. So when we look at the tenths column here, the 2, is there enough behind it? Is the 8 big enough to make it 158.3? And yes, it is. So this would be 158.3, and that's going to be meters squared, because we're in area here. All right, so let's do this, dude. Let's just shortcut it. We know that that's 36, so I'm just going to do 3.14 times 36. That is equal to 113.04, and that is feet squared. Okay, so you kind of get the idea how to do that. Now, in the next section down here, we're just number 7, for example. We got a diameter. We need to know what a radius is. So you can take 9.4 and divide it by 2. If you're not sure, you can do it in a calculator. This is a calculator target. 9.4 divided by 2 should be 4.7. So we have 3.14 times 4.7 times 4.7. Now a lot of kids think, well, why can't I just take 3.14 times 9.4? It's the same thing. No, it's not. 4.7 plus 4.7 is 9.4. But 4.7 times 4.7 is not. All right, so let's pi r it. 3.14 times 4.7 times 4.7, and we got 69.36. And let's just take a look here. Well, we're right on the tenths again with my little mark. Is there enough there to call it 69.4? Yeah, it's bigger than 4. It's 5 to the sky. So yeah, we can call that 69.4, and that's going to be millimeters squared. All right, now let's just do a little estimating for the area. This is what I'm always doing when I'm looking at pizzas at restaurants, trying to see, what's the best value. I estimate the area of the pizza. So I could estimate this at 4 yards. So this could be 3 times 4 times 4, or roughly 48 yards squared. I'm just going to put the little ying, I don't know what that little thing is called, little approximate sign. Yeah, I just approximated that. Okay? I could have done 3 times 16, because that's what 3 times 4 times 4 is. Let's try another one here. This one's 6, so I could just say that the approximate area of the circle would be 3 times 6 times 6, or 3 times 36. Well, 3 times 36 is going to be 108. So 108, and that's going to be meters squared. All right, I'll let you keep working through those. Have fun. This is an easy target. Pi r